So Deepsite just released a website that build professional website and apps for you and for your business. Well, here it is. As you can see on my screen, it is called Deepsite. Okay, currently it's at V2, which is version 2. So once to access it, you just type into your browser deep site. Okay, deep site, and here it is. Click on here, and voila, here you go. It presents you with this window. Um, so how do you use this? As you can see, what you're seeing here is what is in here. So for example, I am ready to work. So I can say, oops, I am ready to work. So you can see, you can, you know, you can send, you can ask it to build virtually anything. And so in here, I'm going to ask it to build an app that allows people to do something. So watch me give it a prompt to build an app for us. So here I have a prompt asking it to act as a professional web developer and build a modern web app that will, do something. There's a bunch of instructions. I'm giving it to build this app, and let's see what it does with it. You can virtually give it any prompt and it's going to go to work. Okay, so let's see what it does with this prompt. So you can see the AI is thinking, okay, thinking through. Remember, we said think through. In our prompt, I said think through. And of course, it knows whether you say it or not, it does think through. But it's good to tell it to think through to do whatever you want it to do. Okay, so here it has thought through and it has brought back, it has returned this code here with the app on the right. You can see this is the app, and here is the code. So the instruction was think through and build this app, and it went ahead and did just that. So let me see, I can say John, and then the phone number, I can say 080 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and I will say MTN Nigeria, for example. Location, I would say Lagos. I would say, okay, describe the issue. Poor internet. And then I'll say submit report. And it says report submitted successfully. Our team will call you soon. Wow. This is out of the box. As you can see, this is out of the box. I wasn't expecting something like this. I must be Okay, so what is going on here is you can see it's just a web app that allows people to submit to report poor internet services in Nigeria, and here you can see it has gone ahead to do virtually everything. It's using Tailwind CSS, as you can see right there, and it's quite simple. And yeah, so like I said, I just wanted to introduce you to this AI tool, which is fantastic. I love it. As you can see, you have your chart here. You have your preview. You can preview right here, as you can see, and you have your chart here. So you can preview your app. This is our app. We are previewing it right now, and then you are in your. You can go back to your chart, and here I can, there's nothing much going on the screen. Here it's gallery, here is refresh preview, and then you can see there's a you can view on the computer how it looks like on the computer. Let's preview and view. This is how it looks like on your computer, and then this is how it looks like on your mobile, which is fantastic. The thing is, I don't like the fact that the um, the copyright is covering some information down here, but I guess we'll allow it to. We can give it instruction to adjust that, okay, and what other thing you can see? You can load space here, and if you click on load space, you can see it says space URL here. You see huggingface.co. You can send this to, you can load an existing Deepsite space to continue working on it. Meanwhile, here you can deploy to space. Okay, you can click here and log into your Hugging Face, right? Can sign into your Hugging Face if you do have an account with them. So now we enter our email and then password and then log in. And here we are. So let's go back to our app, refresh, and deploy to space, log in. And once you click on login, please check your email address for a confirmation. Okay, so we'll go to our email. Sorry, I don't have to show you that, but definitely I'm checking my email. So here you have to check your email for confirmation, okay? So here we click resend email. Okay, it has arrived. Impatient. We click our email and confirm it. Okay. So I'm going to bring this here just to show you that let's confirm you are human, and it says select the cuttings 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are just too many cuttings. Okay, Joe. Yep, we have confirmed our email, and then that is it. So we come down here. Let me close all of this window for now. Okay. So we come back here and say login with Hugging Face, and yes, we've been confirmed. It says Hugging Face is way more fun with friends, and dismiss this message, and then authorize. All you have to do is authorize. Click on authorize. You're done. You're done, guys. So we come come down here and refresh. And if you click down here, come on, what's going on? Authorize. So, okay, it has been authorized. You can see once you click here, it says you can name your space. You can give your space a title. If not, yeah. So, but mind you, it's taking us back, okay? It's taking us to the main screen when you first visit Deepsite. So here we are, and we say load these. Okay, so let's just copy this code, copy, bring it down here, paste, and we give space a name. We say tech guys, create space. So anything we do to this app here is going to be updated, okay, via this link here. So let me copy this and paste into, let's visit this in a private window, incognito, and paste. There you go. Here, there you go. So yeah, this is how you build an app. You see, our app is running. This is how you build an app using Deepsite, guys. It's a fun, I mean, the Chinese guys are not playing, man. They are not playing. So we can add more functionality to this app and make it worthwhile, okay? All right. So yeah, go ahead, play with it, do whatever, build whatever you want, and if there's any question, comment down below, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.